Niagara Falls is one of the most scenic spots in all the world. The grandeur of this famous attraction brings visitors from far and near. It is a favorite spot for honeymooners who stand and gaze at its wondrous beauty. Niagara affects different people in different ways. Some people are overcome by a strong urge to go over the falls in a barrel. Of course, this foolhardy stunt is now absolutely prohibited. And, I might add, nobody has gone over since I've been on the job.
Nobody?
Nobody. And Huh? A barrel? Hey, you! Going over the falls in a barrel is absolutely prohibited.
Hey, come back with my barrel. Well, now I need a new barrel. Good barrel. Good, solid barrel. Bring back my barrel.
Come out of there, you! Crazy woodpecker! I'll show you! Take that! Now keep out! And stay out! Oh, no! Oh, shut up! A barrel! I know a barrel when I see one. That woodpecker. Before we go over now, men, is there anyone here without a barrel? Which way to Niagara Falls? Rush! Rush!
Wow!